The sun is a star. It is a ball of hot, glowing gas. It is the closest star to Earth. Our sun is the only star we can see during the day. As the sun sets, the sky grows dark. Then we can see many stars in the night sky. Some stars are bigger than our sun, and other stars are smaller. These stars are so far away from Earth that they look like tiny points of light. Our solar system consists of one star, the sun, and 9 planets which move around the sun. Each planet follows its own special path around the sun. This path is called an orbit. Here's a song that can help us learn the 9 planets in order from the sun.
My very educated mother just served us 9 pizza pies. My very educated mother just served us 9 pizza pies. And Mercury.
Mercury is the first planet from the sun. Days on Mercury are very hot because it is so close to the sun. The surface of Mercury is covered with craters, cliffs, and valleys.
Venus.
Venus is the second planet from the sun. Venus is hotter than Mercury because its thick clouds trap heat from the sun. The surface of Venus has mountains, valleys, and volcanoes.
Earth.
Earth is the third planet from the sun. It is our home. Most of our planet is covered with water. The surface of Earth also has mountains and valleys. Earth is home to people, plants, and animals.
And Mars.
Mars is the fourth planet from the sun. Mars is called the red planet because its soil is red. The surface of Mars has mountains, canyons, volcanoes, and craters.
Jupiter.
Jupiter is the fifth planet from the sun. Jupiter is very cold because it is so far from the sun. When we look at the planet, we can see colorful clouds. There's a huge storm on Jupiter called the Great Red Spot.
Saturn.
Saturn is the sixth planet from the sun. Just like Jupiter, Saturn is very cold and covered with clouds. There are beautiful rings around Saturn.
Uranus.
Uranus is the seventh planet from the sun. When we look at Uranus, we see its blue-green clouds. Very thin rings surround the planet.
And Neptune.
Neptune is the eighth planet from the sun. When we look at Neptune, we see its blue clouds. Neptune has a storm called the Great Dark Spot.
Pluto.
Pluto is the ninth planet from the sun. The surface of Pluto is made of ice. We know very little about Pluto because it is so far from Earth.